I believe you have heard something like sniper interest in the market, and some of you don't even get to know how this works in the market, or you don't even know how to place your own sniper interest in the market and get to make money from the market also. But in today's video, I'll be showing you an evidence-based strategy on how to get into the market using your sniper entries and getting to make little amount of money whenever you go wrong in the market, big whenever your analysis goes well in the market. So in today's video, I'll be showing you on how to trade the market using sniper entries, and I'll be placing an example for you so you can get to understand that this thing was saying the market is actually working, not that you're just coming to come and tell your stories and all those sort of things, man. I'm a full-time trader and I get to trade the market every day, so everything I tell you on this channel is very okay, and it's something that I practice, so you have nothing to lose in the market. If you are coming across my video for the first time, my name is Philip Joshua, and on this channel I've been teaching a lot of things about the forex market, starting from the beginners level to the advanced level. You can go back to my old videos, get to watch and get to learn more things about the chart, guys. But in case you don't know the meaning of sniper entry in the market, it's just like the art of you getting into the market before every other trader in order for you to secure your position first and get to lose little amount of money before every other person gets into the market and get to make bigger amount of money if at all the market goes in your favor, guys. So for instance, if someone is a swing trader, is going to higher time frames or some kind of higher time frame compared to the one you're going to enter, and the person is trying to make money using those time frame in the market. But you, as someone that's using sniper entry in the market, you get to enter with time frames like M1, M5, M15 higher. From there, you get to enter the market and get to make money for yourself, guys. But let's get into the chart. Let me get to show you a live example of what we mean by sniper entry in the market, guys. Let's go.
Alright, so this is a very good opportunity that I got to spot in the market yesterday night, and I wasn't able to kind of record it due to the fact that it was raining in my area yesterday. So let me get to explain how I got this sniper entry in the market and why you should also look out for it whenever you get to see opportunities like this in the market. So around this side now, there's something that happened in this place, which is the fact that we have a pin bar around this side. Pin bars are strength candles in the market. They are candles that help in pushing the market very fast. So around this side now, look at what happened. The market came and did what? Got to broke it. But at this point, you have taken our entries already around this side. And when we took our entries around this side, we never knew that the market was going to come back and get, break the pin bar around this side. So we have to place our stop loss around there, because this is the only area whereby if at all the market gets to break, we'll get to know that we're going to lose on this market. That's the only place I believe right now. And this place wasn't too sure, so I wasn't able to take my stop loss around this side. So after placing my stop loss around this side, I had to give the signal to my community, my free Telegram community. You can join us using the link on my description to get access to that community also. After giving that free signal to them, I also gave it to my VIP members. By that time, it was almost I think after 10 in the night, man, and we had opportunity in the market, so I had to strike, because whenever you see opportunities, you have to make money in the market also. So after getting these, I said let me wake up in the morning and get to explain for you. So let me tell you guys on how I got this sniper entry in the market and where I was able to find it first before I drag it to this point, whereby we have an entry on our M15 time frame right now. So on our W1 time frame, you can see that the market is still bullish for a very long time. This is BTC USD, and we've been buying this market for a very long time now, and as of now we haven't seen any change in market direction, so we still have to follow up with the trend of the market and still get to buy more. On our D1 time frame now, you can see what the market is still doing after some confirmations around this side, which is this point in the market. The market just came, got some confirmations around this side, and after the confirmation, the market started rising towards the upside again. So at this point now, what happened is that since we have found out that the overall movement of the market is still a buying market, all we just have to do is spot out for buy opportunities in the market, follow up with the directional buyers of the market, and from there we got to know that we have some places where we should look out for on our lower time frame. And looking at these, you can see that this place has been tested already. Let me show you something around this side. This place has been tested already, this place has been confirmed already, and this is the only place where we have a fair value gap candle around this place. So we expect for the market to come around this side and either get a move towards the upside, or the market should get back to this place and get a retest around this side. Then from there we start pushing towards the upside. But you can't just take your decision in one place, so you have to go back to another lower time frame until you get to find out the exact place whereby you will get to enter and still get to make money, man. So now H4 time frame now, this is a lower time frame compared to the D1 time frame in the market. And look at what the market is doing. Around this side, you can see these confirmations around this side. This is a confirmation candle around this place. This and that confirmation around this place. This and that confirmation around this place. So if at all we're expecting the market to drop, we could have expected the market to drop around this side. Then from this side, we expect the market to push toward the upside again. But right now you can see this confirmation around this place. This is an area again in the market. The market has to take it away in order for us to get a new structure. Then from the new structure, the move will start again. So when we got this new structure around this place, we expect this place to be the area whereby the market will push from towards the upside again. So around this side now, you can see that the market just came very close to it, behave as if it was going to take it away. Since the market wasn't able to take this away, then we know that this area is still strong in the market. And what we expect now, we expect this place to be taken away in the market. So from there we got some kind of retest over the downside, and right now the market is pushing towards the upside again. So let's get to our H1 time frame. Let me get to show you something also in the market. So on this market now, you can see the way the confirmations are going. A lot of retests and a lot of confirmations telling us that the market is still pushing towards the upside. So that's a sign of strength in the market, and that's a sign that the buyers are still in charge of this market. So after seeing all these things, all you just have to do is, since you have gotten the directional bias of the market, go back to your M15 time frame, because that is where you have to take your sniper entry from. And sometimes you can use M1, M5 in the market due to the place whereby you go to capture it first. But right now that I've seen everything that is happening in the market, look at what you're gonna do right now. So around this side, I was expecting the market to drop from the upside to the downside, which is around this side. Hopefully we got an entry in this place at that point, but the market came and broke it, so I had to bring back my horizontal line around this place. If I thought this structure gets taken out in the market, then we know that this move is not going to work in the market again. So at this point, since the structure hasn't been taken out in the market, what do we expect? We expect the move to still be valid, because this is a market that is still pushing to the upside, and any move that hasn't taken this old structure away is still very valid in the market. So after we got some confirmations around this place, we got our fair value gap candle around this place almost taken out, and since the fair value gap candle was able to hold it, then we expect the fair value gap candle to push it towards the upside again. So around this side now, since the market wasn't able to take the fair value gap candle away, what I have to do is to get my entries around that place and check out for rejections in the market, because when there are rejections in the market, it's a sign that the market is ready to push towards the upside, except if only the place whereby the market is getting that rejection is like an area whereby the market still has to drop towards the downside for us to get some kind of retest. Then from there the market now start rising again. That's the only time we say it's not valid. So around this place we got an engulfing candle, and around this place we got a lot of rejections in the market. So when I saw these all rejections in the market, I waited for the market to draw from this place to the side. I wanted to take this place as my stop loss area in the market, but since I'm gonna sleep, I think it was a bad idea. So I have to place this place as my stop loss in the market, and from this place to this place you can see that it's very close. If I thought we get to lose, I'll still get to lose something very little, and if I'm winning on this market, I'm winning something very big, man. You can see my take profit around this side, very far from our entry point. That's about how many risk to reward ratio? About 1 to 10 risk to reward ratio, and it's gonna happen, guys. So I strongly believe in that one. I don't want to even get to think about it that much, and I'm trying this with an $100 account in order to prove to you guys that this actually works, man. So after getting this confirmation around this side, I got my entry around this place. I have to place my stop loss around this side, because if I thought the market goes against us, it should go against us around this point, and market take this whole place away, then we expect that this move is not going to happen right now. So after all these confirmations and calculations, I had to go and sleep. Then when I wake up in the morning, I'll get to explain this for you. But I've shared the signal with people in the VIP community. I've shared it with people in the free signal community also. You can join the Telegram community and get access to these free signals all the time, guys. So from this place to this place, how much? Let me show you how much I'm risking to make a very good reward in this market. This is an $100 account, and that's why I'm not taking too much risk. I just took 3 positions, and I'm risking how much? $19 per position on the $100 account to make 216 in the market, guys. That's to say that if I thought the market goes well in my favor, I will get to make 216 in the market, and if I thought the market goes against me, I will lose 19 in 3 places. That is probably half of the account is gone if I try to get to lose. But that's the best way to trade, because give me the reason why you should use 0.01. Then at the end of everything, you get to make something like, let's use 0.01 and see. For instance, we use 0.01 and we use this place as a take profit in the market. What do we expect to make? We expect to make 21. Why we risk how much? Why we risk $2 in the market? So the risk to reward ratio is just too poor, and if you continue like that, there's no way you're gonna make money in the market. And that's why I always preach to you, use a very good lot size to make something reasonable whenever you get into the market, in order for you to see good returns at the end of everything. So this also to tell you that if you want to trade using sniper interest in the market, you have to use a very good lot size and a very tight stop loss, so that if at all you get to lose something later in the market, and if you get to win, you get to win something big. So if at all we get to win on this market, you are winning 216, and if you get to lose, you get to lose 19. Though some traders can still get entries around this side. For instance, they get an entry in this place and they get to use somewhere like this place as their stop loss. Just imagine the risk to reward ratio now. Too crazy, man. 41 to make 200 and something. The risk is very, very high due to the account size. But if you're using a bigger account size, you can get into the market and still get and make money. But for someone that's using $100, risking $41 on a single trade is crazy, guys. Crazy, man. So the risk is too much for the person. That's why you must make sure you get entries that if at all you get to enter the market, you get to lose something very, very little and get to win something big. So that's how to use sniper interest in the market to make money for yourself, guys. So I think that's all for this video, and whatever gets to happen, I will get to keep you guys updated. If we get to make crazy returns at the end of the day, I will get to keep you guys updated, man. See you guys later. Alright guys, so this is the $100 account. Let's see what's gonna happen before the end of the day, man. Alright guys, so after some hours, I decided to check this out and get this recorded so that you guys can see how far we have gone with the market and get to know that what we are doing is actually accurate in the market and the strategy works in the market also. So in order not to make this video too long, I had to stop at this point and get to post this because it was taking a lot of time and a lot of days to do this. But trust me, this is how to trade using sniper interest in the market, guys.